Ladies and gentlemen, for decades, personality development meant how you show up in a room. Professional development meant how you perform in a job. Business development meant how you grow a market. But the world changed. Today, your biggest conversations aren't only with people, they are with platforms. Your confidence is tested by algorithms. Your focus is attacked by infinite scroll. Your reputation is shaped by search results, and your decisions are influenced by AI that never sleeps. So let me say this clearly. If we train you with yesterday's mindset, we are preparing you for a world that no longer exists. In the AI era, personality is not just character, it's digital discipline. Professionalism is not just skills, it's how you think, communicate, and lead with AI beside you. Business growth is not just strategy, it's how fast you adapt, automate, and stay human while everything becomes intelligent. That's why Python Playground rebuilt these programs from the ground up: beginner, intermediate, advanced, plus professional and business development. Designed for one mission: to help you become the super version of yourself in an AI powered world. Not louder, not busier, not overwhelmed, but sharper, calmer, more confident, more valuable. We are not following trends, we are setting the standard. If you are ready to lead in the AI era, welcome to Python Playground.
Coming in the day and night. This isn't just code, it's a new state of mind. If you don't learn the language, you'll get left behind. Don't be ignored by the future. Make your move, make your stand. Turn curiosity to power. Put the tools in your hand. Python AI algorithms, keys that open the door. Learn now, rise up. Be the builder the world's waiting for.